your step onto the station platform.
Folks, this is the closest stop to the attraction.
And Tom Sawyer's Island. Beyond that is Liberty Square, a touch of colonial America reborn. There you'll discover the inspiring Haunted Mansion and the spooky Hall of Presidents. Looks like old Pete's already had a house called Rufus, fishing off the porch of their luxurious waterfront condominium. I hope he can get that old tooth and watch your step.